Hi everyone, welcome to Study with Akshay. In this video, we will be dealing with features of Java. Before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get regular notification. Let's get started. Features of Java. The primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple and secure programming language. Apart from this is also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. The features of this Java language is also known as Java buzzwords. A list of most important features of Java languages are simple, object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, secured, robust, architectural neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. So a picture which is displayed over here has all the features of Java language. Now it's time to discuss about these features individually. Simple. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is also simple, clean and easy to understand. According to Sun Microsystem, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++. So easier for the programmers to learn it after C++. Even though if you don't know C++ also, Java is more updated version of C++ and hence it is more easier than C++ as well. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features, for example, explicit pointers, operators, overloading, etc. There is no need for removing unreferenced objects because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. Next feature is object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. If you take C++ versus Java, if you see, object-oriented is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintains by providing some rules, which is not provided in C++. C++ is a procedure-oriented. Basic concepts of object-oriented are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. More about this, we will be making one more video regarding object orientation in Java. Over there, you can just check on. We will be explaining all these topics over there. Next thing is platform independent. Java is a platform independence because it is different from other languages like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform-specific machine mechanisms, while Java is write once, run anywhere language. So we can say it's write once, run anywhere language. A platform is a hardware or a software environment in which programs runs. So over here, let me just put image over here. So class file, whereas it can be run both in Mac OS as well as in Windows as well as in Linux, this works. There are two types of platform, software based and hardware based. Java provides software based platform. Java platform differs from most of the other platforms in the sense that it is the software based platform that runs on the top of the other hardware based platforms. It has two components, runtime environment and API. API, I had used this term as API in the previous video also, but I had not told the complete expansion of it. Application programming interface is the expansion of API. Java code can be executed on multiple platforms, for example Windows, Linux, Sun, Solaris, Mac OS, etc. Java code is compiled by a compiler and is converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms, that is, write once, run anywhere. WORA is the code given at Java. Next thing is secured. Java is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free systems. Java is secured because no explicit pointer. Java programs run inside a virtual machine sandbox. So for an example, you can see how Java will be secured in this picture. So this is an application, one side C++ application, one more side Java application. Java is even more secured because of the usage of JVM. JVM is used for runtime environment for its own, only for Java. Then we have class loader. Class loader in Java is a part of a Java runtime environment, JRE, which is used to load Java classes into Java virtual machine dynamically. It adds security by separating the package for the classes of the local file system from those that are imported from network sources. Next, one more feature is bytecode verifier. It checks the code fermented for illegal code that can be violated access rights to the objects. Security manager, it determines what resources a class can access, such as reading and writing to the local disk. Java language, over in a nutshell, provides those securities by default. Some securities are also being provided by the application developers explicitly through SSL, JAAS, and chromatography, etc. Next feature what we refer here is robust. The English meaning of robust is strong. Java is robust because it uses strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoids the security problems. Java provides automatically garbage collections which runs on the Java virtual machines to get rid of the objects which are not being used by the Java application anymore. There are explicit handling and the type checking mechanism in Java. All these points makes Java robust. Next thing we have is architecture neutral. Java is an architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. For example, the size of primitive type is fixed. In C program, int data occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32 bits, architecture, and 4 bytes for the memory bits of 64 architecture. However, it occupies 4 bytes only memory for both 32 and 64 bits architecture in Java. Next feature is portable. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to another platform. It does not depend on the requirement or any implementation basically. And then we have high performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreters programming language. Because Java bytecode is close to native code, it is still a little bit slower than a compiled language like for an example C++. Java is also an interpreted language, that is why it is slower than a compiled language like C and C++. Since there is both interpreter as well as compiler in Java, it is slower, as in a nutshell. Next thing is distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates users to create distributed applications in Java. RMI and EJB are used for creating distributed applications. These features of Java makes us able to access the features by calling the methods from any machine onto the internet. Next feature is multi-threaded or multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deals with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multiple threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia, web applications, etc. The last and final feature is dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of the class. It means the class is loaded on demand. It also supports features for its native language, that is C and C++. Java supports dynamic compilation and automation, memory management, and garbage collection. So this is all. We are done with the features of Java, and few things which should be internally dealt with will be done in other videos. Please keep on watching Study with Akshay and keep on supporting us by liking this video. Please do share this video and never forget to put down your comments in the comment window. Thank you. We'll come back with another next video under the playlist of Java programming. Thank you.